I'm going to shoot for 8 seconds after previous testing on an old stereo amplifier. I found that 8 seconds was the good lucky number. This is my attempt. If it doesn't work, then there's no loss. Alright, wish me luck. Holding it about 4 inches away. Alright, count to 8 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A little bit for good measure. That was actually 9 seconds, maybe 10 seconds. Not sure if it's going to do the trick, but everything still looks to be fine. I guess I can put it back in and hook it up. Or maybe I should do this other chip too. I'm not sure what this chip does right here, but that's right there. Not sure what that one does. What do you think? If I warm that up, it might heat up the plastic where the CPU goes, so I'm going to just leave that one alone. Okay, I'm going to put it back together.